I'm in iconic downtown Newburyport. You can probably look behind me and recognize some of the buildings, the cobblestone streets. Everybody wants to live down in Newburyport. The one issue I find with buyers is a lot of people are priced out. Let's check out my newest listing at a great value in West Newbury. Okay, so I just made the 10-minute drive from downtown Newburyport right down Route 113. Very simple to get in and out of Newburyport, but now we're in West Newbury. You get a much better value for your money. We have this beautiful 4-bedroom colonial, brand new kitchen, 3-acre lot. Let's take a look at the lot.